This presentation provides information about the Residence Homestead Exemption and other exemptions found on the application form 50-114 and details on the filing process. The link in the transcript below leads to a document with step-by-step instructions on how to locate, fill out, and file the exemption application. A homestead is defined as a property that is owned and occupied as a principal residence as of January 1st. An owner may only file one homestead exemption, and the application must be filed with the Appraisal District in the county that the property is located in. Homestead exemption benefits and property tax savings take place after an application has been filed and approved. The exemption typically remains on the property until the owner moves or sells the property. There are no fees required to file an exemption application with an Appraisal District. Application Form 50-114 can also be filed online to expedite processing. The following exemptions are also included on the form. Please note that each has specific requirements. Residence homestead. Disabled person. Person age 65 or older. 100% disabled veteran. Surviving spouse of an armed services member killed in action. Surviving spouse of a first responder killed in the line of duty. Copy of a valid Texas driver license or Texas ID that matches the property's situs address is required for most exemptions. The application for disabled veterans less than 100% and the surviving spouse exemption is Form 50-135 and can be located at the indicated link in the transcript below. There are multiple ways to file a homestead exemption application form 50-114. However, the online option is the fastest, and details are provided at the link in the transcript below. Alternatives to the online option are to hand deliver or mail to our office completed applications and other required documents. If you have questions, please contact us at 512-930-3787. Thank you.